Hello little artists, welcome back. Today we are drawing something super yummy. Cake, it's ice cream. First, let's draw a cute cup. Make a rectangle shape at the bottom. Now add some scoops on the top. Draw a spoon or wafer stick on the side because more ice cream fun. Round and bouncy like little balls. Ooh, they already look delicious. Next, let's draw another ice cream in a fancy glass. Draw a bowl shape with a stand like a trophy. Don't forget the stick, crunching and fun. Add some round scoop again. Wow, so many flavors. Last one, let's draw a classic cone. Draw a triangle for the cone. Swirly top like a soft ice cream swirl. Great job! Your drawing look amazing. Now outline everything with a black marker to look like a bold and beautiful.
Coloring. Let's color the first ice cream. Use bright colors like pink, blue, yellow and brown to make it look super tasty.
Color the cup orange or any color you like. Now color the second one. Let's use green, blue and maybe red for the bowl. Wow, that looks so cool. And finally the cone. Color the cone light gray and the ice cream pink or any yummy flavor. Wow, look at your beautiful ice cream. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.